walk around and tell you about a very nice 1955 Ford Sunliner Convertible. Finished in a Concours style restoration, 1996 AACA first prize winner. There's a badge on the grill. It's finished in a factory raven black, Goldenrod-Yellow finish on it. The current owners owned it about 3 or 4 years. He's done a lot of nice little upgrades, 12-volt upgrade to it. He's upgraded to a soft canvas Mercedes style cloth roof with a new tonneau cover that's in the trunk. Additionally, he's put brand new wide white wall tires on it within the last few hundred miles, the last year or so. Well presented factory style, Concours style restoration on it. A little bit of character from its age of build. I'm going to guess is about 96 or later, that type of thing, probably when it was judged. Beautiful bright work and trim. We've left the windows up for you to get a feel. A little bit of original character to the window trim right there. Beautiful body. We've had it up on the lift. We cover that for you. It's just as nice on the underside. Factory style restoration. You know, it has early GPS up on the windshield there. Windshield squirters. Underneath the hood's a 272 cubic inch 2-barrel V8. Factory style underneath the hood. Birds like kittens. As a 3-speed electric overdrive. Nice fit and finish overall. In order to be a first prize winner, you really got to be a nice car. This is a very nice car. Not brand new, but it is very nice, and the owner's done a few things that, to enhance it a little bit. Nice little sticker in the window here. Belonged to a collection prior to him for many years where it was stored indoors collection-wise. We've rolled all the windows up so you get an idea of the fit and finish on it. Inside, two-tone combination, black and yellow interior. It does have, again, a 12-volt conversion upgrade on it. During the 12-volt upgrade, they did all the solenoids and everything in 12 volts, but the radios had a reducer to keep it at 6 volts, so it's an original 6-volt radio that does work. Seat belts. We'll actually get some photos with the top down, kind of give you an idea of the top right here. Fun little car. You want attention, take this down the boulevard. A lot of fun. Definitely a collectible. 55 is a neat year. Sunliner Convertible has a lot of great trim on it. The trunk is just as nice as the interior of the car. You'll see the overdrive badge on the back here. Fighting the sun a little bit here. Hope it doesn't affect what we're doing. The weed whacker in the background, pretty general. Now we got helicopters going. Step back and let you take a good look there. So top's all new on it. Tonneau covers in the trunk, matches the top. Get you inside here. We'll actually bring the windows down and put the top down in just a minute for you here. All factory. Emergency brake works, everything works on it. $15,592 miles at the time of inspection. Power top. There's the top switch right there. The overdrive button's right here. Does have a heater, and it does have power windows. Nice option. We're gonna go ahead and put them down. Get out and let you hear it run, and then we'll put the top down for you. car top. We'll walk around with the top down. All right, we'll get you in the trunk here. Same level of detail all the way through. Very nice restoration. You'll see it has original jack here, style mat, spare, tonneau cover for the top when it's down. Also the same material as the top, soft canvas. Concours style restoration. Has been judged at some point in its life there. We talked about that during the walk around. He has upgraded the whole electric system to 12 volts. So it has a 12 volt battery and bulbs and controls, that kind of thing. It's a 272 cubic inch overhead valve V8 Ford, 2-barrel carburetor. OEM style everything, factory style in its presentation. We've had it up on the lift for you. We'll share that with you at the end of the video. Oil bath air filter assembly on it. Right, we're gonna do a little outside walk around, then we'll get you the undercarriage. Tires on it are brand new within the last year or so, about 200 miles on them. Jet air white walls. Factory hubcaps, Goldenrod-Yellow, Raven black. There's a small paint flaw in the door right here. We'll get you around in the undercarriage here in just a minute. Inner and outer rockers on both sides are solid. Little peek here. When we get the undercarriage, we'll share more with you. As you can tell, it's a factory style or Concours style restoration. Previous AACA judge car. Very nice, done in factory style format, nothing's modified. As we mentioned, these are brand new tires, less than a few hundred miles on them. Driving from LA down here to San Diego. Factory V8 rear differential. Inner rockers are all very nice. Appears to have been a solid car pre-restoration with typical passenger and driver footwell repairs, but professionally done or installed. Factory dual exhaust, 3-speed. Manual transmission with overdrive. We'll turn around and give you a better view of all this. Factory drum brakes all the way around. Factory manual steering. Not a lot of miles on this restoration. Part of a collection for many years before it came to this owner. Give you a good view of the bottom side here, OEM suspension. You'll see the overdrive is an electric controlled solenoid right there. Overall, nice restoration, factory in its presentation. Quarters. There you go. Thanks for listening to me. Going back to his garage, could be going to your garage. Make sure you go to Spud's Garage.